say, gods of our land. Hey! Wonder shall never end, oh. Huh? Come, are you sure of what you're saying?
Do I look like I came all the way from my town to joke around?
Hey! Onyekane will kill herself. Hey! And enough of the screaming. Do you want her to overhear us? No, but wait, oh. Why did he do this now? Why now? Eh? All of a sudden. This is strange.
My dear.
Very strange.
My dear, as I speak to you now, my people are asking him the same question. Huh? No one knows the reason behind his action.
Hey! Are you serious? Are you not quite for a job? This is bad. God forbid bad thing.
This is strange.
Very strange.
I don't understand. How will you understand when he's not even offering an explanation?
Exactly. I've never experienced such story, except I witnessed it today. And he's not even saying anything.
I think the right question here is, what is wrong with him? Exactly. I mean, for him to have waited till today to do this, something must have come over him. And whatever it is,
may God have mercy.
He is refusing to say.
What do we call this? What kind of nonsense is this? Huh? I woke up this morning dressed in my best regalia, left my house to this place for this show of shame. People in my huh? I have never seen this kind of nonsense before. What around nonsense? Hey!
I mean, how can Emuche take such a decision without offering some sort of explanation? Eh? Do you look like this to him? I have one wasn't.
Ichie, this is the height of insolence. This is the height of insolence. His attitude is an affront on our personalities. He put his fingers in our eyes. All out of here. Ha! If my brother, his father, were still alive, huh? He would have stood for this. Oh man!
Hi! This is impudence of the highest order. Eh? Do you know how long we've been planning for this day? Eh? The reason I am still sitting here is because his best friend, Obiago, said he will talk sense into him.
Okay.
Let's
keep on waiting. Let's keep on waiting. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Are you insane? I mean, are you out of your mind? You think that this is a decision you can just wake up one morning and take? Who does that? Iguchi, please and please, just explain yourself to us now. How can you do this? Iguchi, just explain yourself, tell us what is going on.
No. Dogumoke. Agonia. Hey. Now, what is the problem? Talk to us. Or tell me, what is the problem? You know you can do this. You know it. Ebuche.
Are ready. We have finished all the preparations and yet we are still waiting. Are we safe at all?
Of course we're safe. Go back and tell the women to wait a little longer. The day has not ended yet. Anana karoya na kwanne machijiro.
Okay. If you say so. If you say so.
I say so.
Okay.
Ekunife, calm down. You worry too much. You disturb yourself too much. See, beside, if you worry like this, how will your sister feel? They will still be here.
Something is not just right. I smell a rat. How far? Tell me, how far is Umuezera from here?
Relax. How far? Calm down.
Today is not an ordinary day. They are not just coming here for a visit. They have to take their time and prepare. And moreover, the day is not over yet. So just exercise a little patience, my friend.
Right.
Yes.
You will not understand. Both of you will not understand.
Tumba, tumba, tumba. Tumba, 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 tumba. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. If I go, I go.
Hey! What are you doing here? Are you seriously asking me that stupid question? Huh? You are supposed to be marrying my sister, you bastard. And so? And so? So because you saw me with a young woman, automatically you're assuming the worst. Huh? I don't even know who she is.
Very stupid.
Well, I guess that is her way of reminding you who she is. I don't care. I don't care. I know you have always hated me. I know you have always hated me. In fact, I know you have always hated the idea that your sister and I are being together. Huh? See, if you like, picture anything. If you like, think anything, whatever you want to think it. Assume whatever you want to assume. I do not care. I do not care. Huh? And I have my own peace. Because I want to get married to your sister, eh? You'll be monitoring me like monitoring spirit. What is that? That's the first way to get married. Is he trying to tell me that I didn't see what I saw? I must go there.
Tumba, 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 tumba. Tumba, 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 tumba. Nobody knows tomorrow.
Hey!
Nobody knows tomorrow. If I go, I go with it. If I go, I go with it. So don't blame me. Tumba, 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 tumba. Tumba, 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 tumba. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. If I go, I go with it. If I go, I go with it. Hey, if I go, I go with it. If I go, I go with it. Please don't blame me.
Have you seen it? Have you seen what I've been telling you about? See?
Are you alright? What is this?
Do I look unwell to you?
Is it not obvious? Why are you showing me earrings? Listen, Ekunife, if you don't tell me the problem you have with these earrings, I will start shouting for people to come and help me.
Okay.
You're losing it.
Okay. I saw the man in your life walking out of the bush with a woman. That is my problem, the hearing.
What do you mean? What man are you talking about? Wait. Are you talking about my Ebuche?
How many other men do you have in your life? Apart from him.
I don't understand all this. Can you explain to me? I'm lost.
Good. I saw Ebuche coming out of the bush with a young woman laughing. They were both laughing like idiots. And then arranging their clothes. And then I approached him. Do you know that this fool denied it before my face? He denied it. So I decided to go into the bush and see what was happening. Or what had happened. And this is what I found.
Hey, wait. So what you're trying to tell me is that you did not even catch them in the act. You only saw the earrings and then concluded on your own. As who?
The most annoying part is that this lady slapped Egbuchi in front of me. She slapped him for trying to deny her.
Which lady are you talking about? Wait, is it the tall black girl?
Boom. Exactly.
Hey! Egbuchi has always told me about how that young lady has been pushing him to get married to her. But he told her that he's practically married. But she wouldn't just listen. She's been pushing. And now, you saw them together. And these miserable earrings. And you jumped into conclusion that they were having something to do with each other. How stupid can you be?
It is not like
You
that.
have to stop. For some reasons only the gods can explain, you have always hated Egbuchi for the very first time he stepped his foot into this compound. You never liked him. But I'll tell you, my brother, I love that man. I love him so much, and whether you like it or not, I am going to get married to him. Oh yes, I will.
Onyekane. Listen, Egbuchi is not being sincere with you.
Abia.
Look at Uchenna. A noble man from Nnewi. A merchant like me. Why don't you give him a chance?
Why don't you marry him? Yes. No more give a call. No. Nonsense.
Let it not be that this Egbuchi has visited a medicine man on my sister's behalf. If all does not go well today, I will kill someone. Yes, I will kill Egbuchi. And it's not just a mere threat.
You have to calm down.
It's not just a threat.
So, what are you people going to do now?
Are you asking us what we are going to do? Hey, what exactly are we supposed to do? Tell us now.
Tell her the truth, of course.
Seriously? So you want us to go and tell our friend what happened, Abi?
Tell her the truth, of course.
Hey, no, wait. Up now. Let me ask you. Madam, if you are in Onyekane's shoes right now, how would you expect us to bring this kind of news to you? Answer me. No, don't look away. Answer.
Great one.
Cause I'm dancing in the rain, in pain. Do you feel my heart? Dancing in the rain, in pain. I am dancing in the rain, in pain. Do you feel my heart?
Get out of the sacred ground.
Great one,
I said, get out, you unclean woman.
Great one, I don't understand I don't know what you're talking about.
How dare you? How dare you enter into the sacred abode of the great Anukenyi of Umezanam with the fluid of a man in you?
That is not true, great one. I am still a virgin. I haven't slept with any man before.
Do I look stupid to you?
No.
Now, leave.
Great one.
I say go.
Great one, please.
Do you know why they fear me in Umezanam and beyond?
No, I don't.
It is because I hate repeating myself. Look, woman.
When I give an order, I expect it
to be obeyed. when I repeat myself, terrible things happen. And I know you will not want that. Now, leave my compound, you unclean woman, and do not return until you get rid of your filthy. I mean every word I have said. Now leave.
Okay, great one. I will tell you the truth. I will confess. Yes, I slept with a man. He was my first. I fell in love with him the very first time I set my eyes on him. I believed him. Until I met him, I have not been with any man. Doesn't that count? Great one. The mere fact that I gave my body to him because of the love that we have for each other, does that not count? I can't be tagged as an unclean woman just because I give my body to the man that I love. Please, great one.
Are you married to him?
No.
Then you are unclean. Now leave my compound until you get yourself rid of that filth. Go! And do not come back to me.
I cannot continue to stay here making a fool of myself. Whatever reason you have for aborting your marriage plan this very morning, when we are supposed to go and marry a wife for you, should we remain with you? Since you are not willing to tell us anything. I am out of here.
Hey! Well, I don't think there's any need for me to still remain here. Rubbish!
See how wonderfully you're looking on this cap.
Let's keep on hoping. I believe there is nothing the gods cannot do. That's my belief in whatever I do. Is that not to be?
That's him. He seems to believe it.
Bosife! Come. Bosife, what is going on?
He's not ready to talk. So there's no need for me to continue wasting my time.
Well, in that case, there is no need for us to be here.
Let's go.
Our husbands are leaving.
I think we should join them.
Same here. I mean, what else are we here for? The child we are here to nurture is dead. Exactly.
Ma, what is going on? Are my husband's people here? How come I haven't been called? And why does it seem as if you're hiding something from me? Wait, that young woman from Umezora, what has she come to say? Please, I am bothered. Can you start talking to me, please?
I don't even know what to say.
No, don't give me that, for you definitely have something to say. Ma, start talking now.
Chukwu Okike. Onyekani, are you panicking because you saw speaking with that young woman from Umezora? Eh? That young woman is my cousin.
Ma, do you have a relative in Umezora?
Yes, now. My mother's sister is married there. And the young woman from Umezora happens to be her daughter. Her parents were going for a burial. So they didn't want to take her along. They told her to stay with us until they return from the trip.
And how come I haven't met her?
Hey! So you now know my family members up, yeah?
Right. But that does not explain why she was whispering. Why?
Onyekani, do you ever let things go?
Help me now. Take it easy with me. Today is supposed to be the happiest day of my life. I'm supposed to be getting married today.
Things are not moving the way it's supposed to be. What do you expect? Okay, fine, it's enough. Since you want to know, the young woman was telling us that she likes a man from this village. Why do I find it very difficult to believe you? Yes, I don't believe you.
Onyekani, you panic a lot. It's not like the young man from Umezora was telling us that your husband has cancelled the marriage. It's not...
What did you just say now? Eh? Look at her face. You need to see yourself right about now. I was only joking. Hey, Koji don't be gaka. Hey. Ma, listen, I'm not fine. I'm not fine at all. I'm having this strong feeling that something is wrong. Everything is not all right. Don't tell me that. Nikane, what you're experiencing is anxiety. And that is because you're getting married today. Yes. The reason I'm here, to make you take your mind off things. You've done well. About you and your lover. Have you people tested the waters?
Tested the waters? What do you mean?
Have you people gone down?
Gone down where?
Have you people jumped the bones?
Bones? Which bones?
Okay, fine. Have you people danced the mystery dance?
Hey. What are you talking? What dance? What mystery dance are you talking about?
Have you people done the you know?
Hey. You're naughty. Oh. What are you saying? It's not the love of my life.
Give me that. That's good though. Hey. Anyway, I'm coming and let me go and know what is happening there. I'll be back. Thank you, you too. Hey!
Please, I'm waiting. Oh. If neither of you are going to tell her the truth, who will? Because it's not going to be me.
See, nobody is telling anybody nothing. Nothing at all.
At least not now. Not now, please.
Eventually, you would have to tell her, you know?
Nne, we are not saying that you're wrong. The fact... Girls, are you sure she's not been listening to us?
What?
Yes, now. And the fact that we've been talking to a lady from Umezora makes it worse.
Yeah. And that's my cue. It's time for me to go back to my village. My mission here is complete.
Please, don't go yet, please. Please, we just need to find a way to tell her. You can't leave us now, please. You can't leave us.
Is it still part of my business? Look, I did you a favor by bringing the news to you. Now it is left for you, as her friends, to find a way and break the news to her. I have to go. My mother will still start looking for me.
Cause I'm dancing in the rain, in pain. Do you feel my heart? Dancing in the rain, in pain.
That should be deep. I don't understand.
Hey.
Greetings, Ebuche.
Greetings.
Greetings, Ebuche.
Greetings.
Am I forgetting something?
Onyekani, have you forgotten today is Umezora? Ring a bell.
Goodness me. I totally forgot. Forgive me. My friends and I are supposed to be going to Umezora today. I'm so sorry. Let me quickly go and get prepared. Sorry.
It's okay. Go and get prepared. Eh? No need to apologize.
No problem.
Okay.
Love, one thing.
Here. Oh. Oye, can you wait for me?
You are my friend.
Oh. Yes. Sit down.
Thank you. She told us you proposed.
Yes, I did.
Good. I'm happy for both of you.
Oh, thank you very much.
So, when are you coming with your people? I mean, for the introduction. What are you looking at?
You are so beautiful.
What?
Please pardon me.
Are you just...
Look, I said I'm sorry. I just couldn't help myself. I'm sorry.
What's wrong with you?
Ma, I know I shouldn't be saying this, okay? I actually like you. I like you very much. From the very first day I set my eyes on you, though I was with Onyeka on that day, I just couldn't get you off my mind. I have tried. I have not been able to get you off my mind.
Is this a joke? You were staring at him lustfully.
Me? That's a lie. I did no such thing.
What?
I know there is nothing I will say that you will believe. But the truth is, every day I step my feet on Umuriam, I do so hoping that, you know, that I can see you. I can see you and possibly tell you this.
Are you insane?
Ma, I am sorry, okay? I'm really sorry. I know this is not the best time or place, but I am tired. I am tired of pretending. Thank you.
Can I ask you a question?
Ma, yes. Anything, any question you want to ask me, just go ahead and ask. I will answer.
If Onyeka wasn't in the picture, he would be with me.
Yes. Yes.
Are you trying to say that you are prepared to leave her for me?
Yes, that's exactly what I am saying. That's exactly what I have been saying.
Wait a minute, Madiche. Is this why you called me out?
Onyeka, please listen to me.
Listen to what? What exactly are you saying? I mean, why are you saying it now? I thought you're all for Ebuche. Why the sudden change of mind?
I have pondered over this for days before I made up my mind to tell you about it. You have to listen to me.
You have to understand. Unfortunately, you are not making any sense to me. You are not.
Okay, fine. Let me make it clear to you. My spirit is against him. Onyeka is not genuine.
Madiche, what is wrong with you? First, it was my brother. And now, you? You of all people?
Oh, Onyeka, please. Like I said earlier, you have to listen to what I'm saying. Oh. I am your friend and I cannot deceive you. Ebuche is not good for you. The highest Ebuche will do to you is to sleep with you and move on. He doesn't love you, at least not to last for a lifetime.
Please don't tell me that. Don't tell me. What is all this?
Ebuche is a playboy. He is an unrepentant Casanova. He is not good for any woman. Please, you don't have right to tell me who is good for me or who is not. I am going to pretend that this never happened and walk out of this place because of our friendship. Let it not ever happen again. Please. You have to listen to me. Fine, you have to listen to me. Ebuche is not good for you. I am talking to you as a friend, though.
Oh, Madichi.
Ma! Did you hear I was calling you since?
Where did you go to?
Go. I've been thinking.
Thinking about what?
The fact that I have been proven right once again. I told Onyekane that Ebuche doesn't love her at all. I told her that Ebuche will hurt her. But she didn't listen. I kept drumming it into her ears.
Oh, girlfriend, this is not the time to abortion blames now. The thing has already been done. Let's just find a way and settle these things now.
See, Ma. What you're saying might be right. Don't quote me wrong. But Nne, your timing is totally wrong. See, tell her if this is how you choose to present this news to her, I will suggest you keep your mouth shut. Don't say anything. Please, oh. But I told her.
Ebuche, please tell me, why are you doing this? Why did you have to cancel your marriage with Onyekane right on your marriage day? Why?
I blame myself. I blame myself for the whole mess. But in truth, I did not plan it. Just yesterday, I was with her. I bought her a set of beads because I wanted her to wear it today on our marriage day. I took it to her myself.
Then, what happened? Where did it all go wrong?
On my way back, I met someone.
Hello, beautiful.
Greetings. If I may ask, where is a beautiful damsel headed by this time of the day?
Thank the gods I met you. Actually, I am heading to Obanga, but it seems I missed my way.
Wait, I think I misheard you. You're headed to Obanga by this time of the day?
Yes.
Why?
Excuse me?
Well, I'm sorry. But if I may ask, if you don't mind me asking, I sincerely did not mean to pry. But why is it? I mean, what caused a beautiful damsel like you to be heading to Obubakwa by this time of the day? So I might be a stranger to you, okay? But if you confide in me, I may just be of help to you. Like you rightfully said, that thank the gods that you met me.
I don't understand.
You've not heard. You don't know.
Heard what? Know what?
Okay, now let me ask you. What do you know about this place, Obubankwa?
According to what I was told, it is just a place where I can lay my head for the night and continue with my journey tomorrow morning. Look, I don't even know you. And I don't know why you're asking me those strange questions about him. I am coming all the way from Aki to Umunsenam in search of a man who will solve my family's problems. Not to answer your questions, please.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Like I said, I didn't leave Aki on time. Hence my arrival to Umuriam late. I was referred to go to Obuwankwa because I can get a place of 2,000 naira where I can just lay my head and continue with my journey tomorrow morning.
That's why I'm going there.
That animal that referred you to Ogbabonkwa, did that animal tell you what happens there? Did he tell you exactly why that place exists? Did he tell you what to expect when you get there? Did he?
No.
Okay, now let me tell you. A beautiful girl, that place is not a wonderful place. It is not a wonderful place for a beautiful damsel like you to be seen. It is not.
What in God's name are you trying to say? Wait. I am beginning to think that there is more to this place.
In what you're right. Now, let me do a little summary of what that place, Obubankwa, is all about.
Please do. I'm all ears.
All right. You see, in this whole town, if you are a husband and you come back home at night and you have a promiscuous wife and you don't find that woman at home, there's only one place you will find that woman.
Obubankwa?
Good. Now you're with me. And if you are a wife, you have a promiscuous husband, and at night you find out that your husband is not on your matrimonial bed, that's only one place you will find that husband.
Obubankwa.
Good, exactly. Now you're a parent, okay? You're a parent. You have an unemployed daughter that lavishes money, and I mean, she cannot provide or tell you the means she makes that money. That's only one place that money is being made.
Let me guess. Same Obubankwa?
You see, initially we all thought that prostitution was meant for ladies, selling their bodies. Until Obubankwa came to existence and proved us all wrong. You see, even men from this village and nearby communities go to that place to prostitute to. Sodomy, which we thought was meant for the cities, now happens here in our local villages.
I never knew such places existed here.
Yes, we were told that Obefi Ilorika brought this, imported girls from Otolopo and brought them. They stay here and do what they call akonakona. I mean, prostitution.
Wait, Otolopo?
Yes.
That sounds like a village far away.
Far, far in the north. It was believed that was where he learned the business from.
I don't have anywhere to go to. That means I'm stranded.
You see, a beautiful young damsel from Aki should not be seen in a place like that, okay? Instead, I have a spare room. I have a spare room in my house where you can spend the night, and first thing in the morning, you can continue your journey peacefully.
You will? You will?
Yes, I will.
Thank you so much. May the gods reward you.
You say.
Thank you for the food. Any man who can offer food and drink to a woman who he just met for the very first time is the perfect definition of a gentleman. Thank you so much.
I'm happy with your company. I lost my both parents long ago.
Oh, I am so sorry to hear that.
It's okay. It's been a long time now.
So you've been staying alone?
Actually, I was living here with my uncle until he built his own house. And ever since, he has been drumming it in my ears that a man cannot be, in a house alone. I hope you understand what I mean.
Of course.
It means he's expecting you to get married.
Exactly.
So, have you found out?
Who?
Come off it. For your uncle to say that, I am sure you know what he means. He simply wants you to get married. Or better still, I am sure you're seeing someone by now. So where is she?
What if I said the person is sitting right here with me?
What?
You're extremely beautiful. The moons and the stars don't glow like your eyes. Akachuwa, you're extremely beautiful.
Ebuchi, you really need
By the gods, you are captivating. Well, I'm sorry, I shouldn't be saying this now. Probably you should be resting. Okay?
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Cause I'm dancing in the rain, in pain. Do you feel my heart? Dancing in the rain, in pain. I am dancing in the rain, in pain. Do you feel my heart? Dancing in the rain, in pain. Hagani for your metal, I have blue ball. If I am metal, I have blue ball. Hagani for your metal, I have blue ball. If I am 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 metal, I have blue ball. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I am dancing in the rain, in pain. Do you feel my heart? Dancing in the rain, in pain. I am dancing in the rain, in pain. Do you feel my heart? Dancing in the rain with my heart. For the song I sing, it came from my heart. Do not play with my heart. For the song I sing, it came from my heart. If you go out, we'll kill it. If I am fully, if anything, I'm only. If I know they bully. If you go out, we'll kill it. If I am fully, if anything, I'm only. If I know they bully.
By the gods, I have never seen a woman like you.
Me too. I have never seen a man like you.
You're very beautiful.
Thank you. Can I ask you a question?
Yes, go ahead, my love.
When I asked you if you found a woman to marry, you said that...
Yes, I know what I said. And I am now convinced that I was right then.
This is quite unlike me, because I feel the same way.
Really?
What do you mean by really? Why do you think I gave myself to you? Were you thinking I was sent by Obuifi Lyrica to make you feel good?
No, not at all. Not at all, my love. Even if nothing had happened, I won't think such of you, my love. I won't.
Well, good. Because I have never done anything like this before.
I know, Omolajam. I know you have never. I can't join. My love.
She left for Umuezianam this morning. But then, though she's gone, but it's like a part of her is with me. Since morning I have been reflecting of the incredible, wonderful time we had last night. Yes, I just can't shake it off my system. I can't. She handled me. She handled me like no woman has ever handled me or will ever handle me. Obiago, I love this woman. I have to marry her.
Ebuche, you're being extremely ridiculous. Let me ask you something. What makes you think that this woman in question will want to be your wife? What makes you think that? Okay, let me tell you something. A woman who decided to spend the night in Ilurika's place is also an akurakuna. Yes, a woman who could open herself for you on the first date. A woman who handled you. A woman who handled you the way you described, without holding back. That woman is useless. Very useless. A useless woman from Aki who is sleeping around with whole men experience, gathering different kind of experiences. Don't even think of it. Don't even try it.
Well, Obiago, I'm sorry.
You better be.
She's not that kind of girl. She was merely searching for Bumakwa, looking for where to spend the night. And talking about she not wanting to marry me. Akantewa already said it that she had decided to be my wife. Only if I agree, and that's it. And I love this woman, I want to make her my wife.
Wait. What?
Yes. See, I know, but you see, I truly love this woman. And you're my friend, my best friend. That's why I'm telling you all this. I want you to help me because I cannot do this alone. I can't.
You mean to say that you actually cancelled your marriage with that amazing woman that we know for a strange woman that you don't even know?
You're twisting it. You don't need to twist this whole thing. You see, I know her. I know her. I know her. And despite anything, Obiago, you're my friend. Huh? I want you to come with me to Aki. I want to go and look for Akantewa and ask her hand in marriage. Please, I want you to be the man from this village that will go with me. Please.
The woman you want to marry is in her father's house, waiting for you to come and pay her bride price. And you're going to seek for another woman's hand in marriage. Hey, God forbid if I should be part of that abomination.
Diego, please don't do this. Hey, don't do this.
If any man in this land, if any man with his right senses should take you to that trip, that disgusting trip, that man is not going to be Obiago. I won't be that man. Do you understand? Do you know the kind of woman you want to marry? Do you know the kind of woman Oyekane is? Do you know? Do you know the... Okay, wait. Let me now blow your mind. Do you know the caliber of men standing on line, waiting for you to mess up? So they will pick Oyekane. they will grab her immediately. And you're here messing up, you're here wasting time. Yeah? Your marriage with her would have been long sealed and signed. You see, when you're here wasting your time, you should count yourself lucky that she finally chose to marry you.
Now get out.
Are you talking to me?
Obiago, I said leave my house.
Are you insane? What is wrong with you?
Obiago, leave my house before I will do something I will live to regret.
Do you know what they say? People don't value what they have until they lose it. And another saying, people always like to eat sweet thing. And is that the same sweet thing that kills the body?
Just go.
Ponder on these words.
Thank you. Just go. Go.
Just allow me to leave. Don't touch me.
Go. Idiot. You people went to prepare a shebi for me. Who told you? Who sent you people? Are you the ones going to get married? Blue and white. The worst colors. Ain't as if it's you're the one that is going to marry her. My own marriage to you, choose color for me.
My daughter, I see fears in your eyes. You are afraid that that same thing that has been happening to your family members will happen to you. Every member of your family has had their share in the dilemma, and you are afraid you are next.
Yes, you are right, Ichi. I do not want to die. That is why I am here. You are Ichi Omachiani, the great man of Aki. Something in me tells me that you have the solution. You can help me with this particular problem.
I can imagine a young woman as beautiful as you are suddenly running mad. Though you are not wrong, but you are next. If nothing is done, it will happen.
Ichi, please, what do I do?
Your father killed a man from Umezanam.
What?
Oh yes.
How? When?
The widow of that man reported the case to Odumiwele, the deity of Anam people, before she finally died.
This is very serious.
Yes. Serious indeed. You see, people may joke with anything they see, but they should not joke with deities. And if you want to survive this horror that is coming your way, you have to travel. You travel to Umezanam. When you reach there, ask of Kenyi. He is the only one that can solve your problem. The faster you go there, the better for you.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Yes, who are you?
My name is Anaduaka. I was coming to give Anu Kenyi a message, and I overheard your discussion with him. If he does not want to help you, I know someone that can.
What?
Yes. See, someone that can give you a solution to your problem. See, this person much better than Anukenyi.
You have to travel. You travel to Umezanam. When you reach there, ask of Anukenyi. He is the only one that can solve your problem. The faster you go there, the better for you.
Thank you very much. But I do not need your help.
See, are you listening to me at all? I said the person will give you a solution to your problem.
Yes, I am listening to you and I can hear you. But I do not need your help. And please, if you do not mind, I have a lot on my mind right now.
You see, someone that can help you out. Look at this defiled young woman. She thinks Anukenyi can help her.
Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. If I am Tulunaya, come here with it. If I am Tulunaya, come here with it. To the limit. Tumba, tumba, tumba. Tumba, 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 tumba. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. If I am Tulunaya, come here with it. If I am Tulunaya.
Anne,
Good afternoon.
how are you?
I'm fine.
Where is that friend of mine?
He just stepped out.
When? Where?
His uncle sent for him. But it's not been long he left. I'm sure he will soon come back. But why don't you stay back for lunch? I'm making something very nice. You will like it.
If you insist, who am I to say no?
I insist. You will like it. Greetings.
Greetings, my prince.
Greetings.
You're welcome.
What? A prince must not leave the house without his regalia.
No, my prince. It's just that
You've not seen one do it before.
Oh, come on. My prince, where are your guards?
Okay, look. Truth is, I did not want anyone in the house to know where I was going. So I sneaked out of the house. I didn't even want any villager to notice me. Hence, my dressing up like this. But most importantly, I wanted to see you.
Who? Me?
She?
Actually, I initially wanted to go to your house, but a good friend of mine told me you were here. So I came.
Okay. You're welcome. Can you come and sit? Right.
Let me help you with the food on fire.
All right. Thank you very much.
Okay.
My prince, I hope all is well.
Yes, my dear. I just, I brought you a little something. I was with my grandmother yesterday when she took delivery of them. And you were the only one that came to my mind. So I was sort of telling her about you. So,
About me?
Yes, my dear. You see, I know this is not the right place or the right time either. But I really need to take my chances again. You see, I care so much about you. And I know you've made it clear to me that you don't want to be with me. But you were the only person that came to my mind as soon as I saw these beads. You see, I know you too well to know that you are a priceless jewel. A rare gem. You can't be replaced. I am ready to marry you here and now if you could say yes to me.
No, my prince. I mean, you're quite welcome. But I'm sorry. My heart yearns for someone else. It belongs to another.
And has he proposed to you?
Well, Not yet, but
He doesn't know what he has. I'll be on my way now. I don't want to be missed at home. I really wish you'd have everything.
Wait, my prince, wait. My prince, you are a good man. And I don't mean to reject your gift. And I equally don't mean to make you feel that I'm toying with you. Please, you have to take this alongside with you. The gods will give you a woman who truly deserves you. Please. You can give her this gift. I don't need it. Thank you.
I hope he realizes what he has before it's too late.
What else? He has come to do what every other young man, except Ebuchi, has refused to do. He came to ask for my hand in marriage.
Oh.
Tell me something, Obiago. Is your friend Ebuchi ever going to make me his wife?
Onyekane, Ebuche might be my very best friend, and you've also been very dear to me. But I am going to tell you this, and who I'm talking about is somebody I know very well, Ebuche. Eh? You are a very good woman, and you deserve the best. And the question is this: do you take Ebuche as your best? If you do, then why don't you let him know your mind?
I took his advice. And I did just that.
Marriage. What is it with women and marriage? Huh? Okay. I will eventually marry you. Is that okay by you?
What did you just say? Eventually?
Okay. I'll marry you.
Stop.
Just pray I don't change my mind. Though. Just pray. Look at you.
What did you just say?
Come on, I was only kidding.
No, this joke is expensive.
I was just joking. It's okay. It's okay. Everything, somebody will beg you first.
You have to beg me.
Do not play with my heart. For the song I sing, it came from my heart.
Onyekane, please. Like I said earlier, you have to listen to what I'm saying. I am your friend and I cannot deceive you. Ebuche is not good for you. The highest Ebuche will do to you is to sleep with you and move on. He doesn't love you. Please. At least not to last for a lifetime.
'Cause I'm dancing in the rain, in pain. Do you feel my heart? Dancing in the rain, in pain. I am dancing in the rain, in pain. Do you feel my heart? Dancing in the rain, in pain. I got it for you, yeah, metal, yeah, blue ball. If for you, yeah, metal, yeah, blue ball. I got it for you, yeah, metal, yeah, blue ball. If 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 for you, yeah, metal, yeah, blue ball. I got it for you, yeah, metal, yeah, blue ball.
Onyekane.
Please. You stood right in the front of the elders and told them that I cannot be with the love of my life. You made them understand that the only man your sister has ever loved is not suitable for her. What have I ever done to you, Ekunife?
What?
Oyekane, please.
Please what? You're so selfish. You are self-centered. What is wrong with you? Okay, you don't like him. You have so many reservations about him. But I've chosen him for myself. Despite his shortcomings, his mistakes and faults, I have chosen him. And guess what? He chose me too. What is wrong with you? Do you think I don't have blemishes? Eh?
Please, you have to listen to me.
No, you listen to me. It is either you suck it up or you let us be. Oh yes, if that is what you want, I'm going to remain here in my father's house and become your wife.
Go away. Do not come close to me. Don't.
I am just coming from Ichie Otondo's house. I have given him my consent to the marriage.
What?
Yes. Listen, you are my only sister. And I love you very much. And if you say Egbuche is your happiness, who am I? I will not stand against it. Something terrible must have gone wrong in Umuezera. And we are going to find out what it is.
Even if I suggest we send delegates. Send delegates.
You are right. Exactly. That is what I am thinking too.
Hold on a second. Is he not from Umuezera?
We need to talk, please. What is going on? In private. Greetings, everyone.
You're welcome.
Please, in private, please. We need to talk.
Did you see that?
I saw his face. I suspected something.
Did you see the reaction on his face? What could be the problem?
How would I have known?
Something is wrong.
I think so, but we'll find out eventually. We'll find out.
Please, you just calm down, okay? Don't get yourself worked up. Calm down.
Life is hard, but we do our best to live it. Sometimes it gets really tough. So tough that one would think that she is not tough enough to keep going through it. But that is the time that we should remind ourselves that the only valuable solution is getting through it.